What happens when learning stops being something students receive and starts becoming something they experience? Today we'll explore how to bring learning to life and take the classroom into the real world. We'll look at 7 practical strategies, how to plan them, how they work, and the impact they can create. Because when students see meaning in what they learn, motivation rises, understanding deepens, and learning lasts. Many students ask the same question: when will I ever use this? Real-world learning answers that question immediately. It connects academic content to authentic situations, helping students build problem-solving, communication, creativity, and confidence. It transforms school from preparation for life into part of life itself. Now let's see some ideas on how to make this happen. The first, project-based learning. Students investigate a meaningful question or challenge over time and create a final product. How it works: students apply knowledge while collaborating and making decisions. The result usually is higher engagement and stronger critical thinking skills. A second idea, learning beyond the classroom walls. Visits to museums, parks, businesses, or neighborhoods make abstract ideas tangible. This way students can observe real examples and connect theory with evidence. It's a way of creating memorable learning experiences and stronger curiosity. A third possibility, coming up with ideas for solving local issues. Communities provide endless case studies. Traffic flow, green spaces, pollution, tourism, accessibility. Then connect it to the language. Teach the vocabulary or grammar necessary to discuss the issue, and ask students to propose a solution. By analyzing something real and relevant, students gain ownership of what they say, and also a sense of civic responsibility. Our fourth idea to bringing learning to life is to have a guest in the classroom. Invite someone from outside of your school to come and have a chat with the students. You can let them know beforehand who is coming to visit so they can prepare questions. Or you can have them discover everything by chatting with the guest. More options. Simulate the real world. If students cannot go into the world, bring the world to them. Use simulations and role play. Create realistic scenarios and define very clearly the roles, the objectives and the rules to make it as realistic as possible. Our sixth idea, learn through service. Students can apply academic skills while helping others. If you partner with a local organization that needs a helping hand and you can find a task that aligns with the learning outcomes of your course, why not offer it to whoever wants to try? If students put their skills to work together as in an internship, they will get their academic growth, as well as make a social impact. The last idea for today is encouraging your learners to create a digital outcome for real audiences. A podcast, a blog or a video blog are some options. The main idea is creating something for an audience beyond the teacher instead of an assignment that disappears. Choose the format, define the audience and the quality criteria, include peer review, and help them publish it on the internet to reach as many people as possible. Students are more careful when the audience is real, and they get higher standards, pride and a real communication exercise. When learning comes to life, students become more engaged, more independent, and more prepared for the future. They do not just memorize content. They apply it. They do not just complete tasks. They solve problems. They do not just study the world. They participate in it. Taking the classroom to the real world reminds us that education works best when it feels meaningful, active, and connected to life.